Hello friends. So today we saw shall and will for future. I shall come, we will go and so on. So there is another way of expressing future, slight difference. For example, when you are using be going to, I am going to, say sentences like this. I am going to study. I am going to the library. We are going to see a film. Now here what happened is planned action. And you cannot replace it by will or shall. Understand? You cannot say, I am going to study, I will study. See the difference? There's a difference, no? I am going to study and I will study. I am going to study is an action that is planned and I am going to do it. The other is future. Probably indefinite future against. Probable, may. I will study, I may study, I shall study. So you cannot replace it by this. Same, I am going to library, going to the library. So I will go to the library. I am going to the library means it's my planned action and that is going to happen immediately. Now I am going to the library. Now I will go to the library. We are going to see a film. It's going to happen. The other one is we will go for a film. See the difference? We shall go for a film. That's the difference. Then immediately occurring action sequence. See that bike is going to crash. See that? See that bike is going to crash. So, and you cannot replace it with will. See that bike will crash. See, it's a small pointed, yes, pointed future. In that way, yes. It is going to rain. Yes. It will rain. Okay. It's going to rain. It's going to snow. Snowing. It will snow. That's the difference. They are going to kill each other. They will kill each other. They are going to marry. Immediate occurrence. They will marry. The other thing is they are going to marry. So they are going to climb the tree. Stop them. That is immediate occurrence. Stop them. They will climb the tree. They will climb the tree. We don't know when. So there is an immediacy. That's the point. Be going to has that immediacy. And you cannot replace it. Most of this you cannot replace it with will or shall. So this is also a must for us. I am going to sit down. I will sit down. See the difference. I shall sit down. I am going to sing. I will sing. You can sing. You can sing anytime. You will sing. I will sing. She will sing. She is going to sing. The next. Chest numbers. 23 is going to sing. Chest number 23 will sing. You got the point, I think. Okay. This semi-model be going to. Be means it can be is, are. So that's the different forms of be. They are going to swim. We are going to hit them. We are going to do some service. For going to future is better not to, because as I said, there is an immediacy. Another point is that it is planned. But when you say we will do social service, we are going to do social service. We are going to distribute food packets to the poor. We will distribute food packets to the poor. See the difference? I think it is clear to you. Okay? So the point is clear to you. And therefore, we will wind up for today. See you again. And remember this, keep distance to keep corona away. This is our slogan, isn't it? Yes. Also, take care of your health and use this time, this most opportune time in our lives to do something positive and constructive. That is academic. Engage yourself in academic activities. Bye. Have a nice day.